Joining us now on the show is Amit Shah, the Senior Technical Research Analyst from Indiabulls Ventures, to talk a bit about the technicals of the market. Amit, hi, morning. Thanks much for joining us. Let's just talk about straight the benchmark index Nifty. What is the level that you are projecting according to your chart patterns?
Good morning. So the Nifty continues to remain in a very strong upward momentum. Till it does not break 11,350 on the downside, the momentum is likely to continue, and we are expecting 11,600 on the upside. Yes, Nifty is in a very strong upward momentum, and any near-term dips should remain as a buying opportunity.
Let's focus in on some individual stocks then, Amit. Lupin came out with its numbers yesterday. Everybody wants to know what is the level that one can watch out for, not only on back of the earnings trigger, but at large. If you study the charts of Lupin, what's the level one can expect?
Lupin, as the results were announced, we saw the volatility coming back to the stock, but overall in a broader trend, the stock still is in a accumulation phase. So on the downside, till it does not violate on a closing basis the levels of 785, my sense is after maybe 2 or 3 days of digesting the news flow of results, I think Lupin should again head back higher. So overall the trend for the is looking on the upside. So near term, near term, till it does not break 785, it should head back again towards the levels of 870, 880 kind of the zone.
And what about United Spirits? I mean, that's one stock which is also the investors' favorite. What is the kind of level or a number that one can look forward to?
Spirits, 630 to 635 is a stiff resistance zone. Actually, that's the zone where actually it break down on the downside, and now it is giving early signs of failed breakdown. So if it can sustain above 630, 635 on a sustained basis, it can actually head higher towards levels of 700. So one should watch out. There could be surprise on the upside for McDowell's.
And lastly, what are some individual stock ideas that you've picked out for our viewers today?
2 stock picks that we have on the buying list is, one is Ajanta Pharma. The stock is looking good. It has made a nice bottom for itself. In the near term, it should head towards 1260 and even higher. Near term support is in 1130, 1135 zone. So one can actually even utilize dips to go long onto the stock. The second stock that what we like is Tata Steel. In the near term, I think it's headed for 590 plus kind of zone, and the near term support of 565, 568 zone is the support zone. So Tata Steel is looking good. Overall, the steel sector itself is looking quite good.
Okay, Amit, we'll leave it at that. Thanks much for coming on board and giving us your perspective on the markets and individual stocks.